Hello and welcome! Today I'm really excited as I have just received this robotic fishing lure and can't wait to put it to the test. Not only I'm gonna talk about the specifics of this lure throughout the video, but also will show you how it operates under the water. Well, I really hope that my camera won't die when I'm gonna be filming it under the water. Also, I will measure the time it works when fully charged and will try to catch a predator with it. Before I begin, you can like or dislike the video as your opinion really matters to me, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and see more fishing gadgets like this one and know how to use them. It comes in a plastic box like this one, and inside we've got a lure, a float, 3 propellers and a charging wire. This self-propelling fishing lure is electronically programmed to swim like a real fish, and we will see if that is the case very soon. This lure is made from high-quality, environmentally friendly hard plastic, so there is no damage to the environment when you use it, which is great. There are different sizes available so that you could choose the one you need depending on the size of predator you want to catch. I'll put the link to the product in the description of the video if you would like to check the sizes for yourself and the price. It uses a simulated fish swimming programming system with a high-speed motor. It can be used both in freshwater and saltwater to target predator fishes such as bass, yellow perch, pike, muskie, roach, trout and many other predators. This lure is rechargeable and you can use power bank or a car charger or a phone charger for this purpose. When charged for 4 hours, you can use it for 2 afterwards. I'll show you how to charge it properly, and for that I'll use my power bank. You plug the USB port into the power bank or other charging device. The red wire, which usually is a plus, goes on this top ring, which is further from the eye, and the black one, which is usually a minus, goes on the bottom one. Just make sure that you don't put it on this split ring which holds the treble hook. I'll leave it overnight and see you tomorrow on the lake. It's a beautiful day today and the lure is fully charged. So I've left it overnight with my power bank, and I can tell you right away that I was able to test it out yesterday. Well, the weather wasn't as good as today, and the lifespan of a battery when fully charged is about 2–2.5 hours. I've already done like a general setup of the float for live bait fishing, and how it operates. When it hits the water, it triggers this propeller, and I'll show you that in a moment, and the lure starts to behave as a real fish. Let's just put it into the water. It takes around a few seconds, and as you can see, it has started to behave as a real fish. I'll put the camera under the water so that you could see for yourself how it behaves under the water. also wanted to show you how the float behaves when the fish hits the water. Let us have a look. Amazing gadget, really amazing. It really increases the chances of you catching that predator fish you've always been dreaming of. And imagine if you had like 2 or 3 of these. Just amazing gadget.